Why not?
No, it's not allowed.
I'm just trying to have some fun, man. Why do you gotta be like a? I'm just trying to have some fun.
No, you can have a fun, but not here.
What do you mean no?
This is the city's private area.
There's nothing here. It's just me.
Really? So your bike doesn't have the plate. This first of all, that's
This is not a road. It doesn't need a fucking plate.
no. Just don't swear that, right? Just be polite.
Okay, I'm sorry, but like this is the only place like.
I call the city.
Why? Why do you gotta be a dick for? I'm just trying to have some fun. I'm not bothering anybody. There's no kids here.
That's first of all making the noise. That's
No.
not allowed.
How about that noise right there? What about that?
That one is a builder. They're not,
What's the difference?
this is a nature area.
Nature. There's no fucking animals here.
Really? So you don't see it. If you live it here, yes, you see it.
I live right down there actually, so I fucking do live here.
No, that's not correct. That's not, if you live here,
What?
you cannot do that here.
I live right there. What do you mean?
See the cop, you see the city's bylaw, they're coming to look after you guys?
What do you mean?
Yeah, I called them. They said, this is not allowed.
Why do you gotta? Why can't you just let us be? We're not hurting anybody at all. We're just trying to have some fun here, and you gotta.
Keep riding. I know they come and you chase you.
But why? Why do you gotta be a dick for?
And then
Because you're too old?
everything.
You know what, man?